Okay, sa sunod na to nga video, we will not be using the visual models. Ato ni siyang i-divide using the KCF. Unsa meaning KCF? This is what we call keep, change, and flip, meaning reciprocate or reciprocal. So unsaon mo na siya paghimo. So we will take first the first example. Arita dire. 1/2 divided by 1/4. So ang atong gibuhat ani, keep the first fraction. So 1/2 kopya. Change. When you say change, kaning division sign, make it to multiplication sign. Then flip. When you say flip, reciprocal. So instead of writing 1/4, you write it as 4/1. Dayon, proceed to multiplication. 1 times 4, that is 4. 1 times 2, that is 2. So pwede mo na mo siyang ma-divide. So 4 divided by 2, so the answer is 2. Arita sa ikaduha nga example, 3/4 divide it by 4/5. So 3/4 keep. So keep the 3/4. Change nimo. Instead of division, change it to multiplication. Sunod, flip, meaning balihon nimo. So that will become 5/4. So 5/4 na siya. Then proceed right away to multiplication. 3 times 5, that is 15. 4 times 4, that is 16. So I guess wala na may common factors na makadivide sa 15 ug 6. So I know that is the simplified answer already. So rita sa kinalasan nga example. Sa 5/6 divided by 1/4. So keep 5/6. Change the division to multiplication, then flip. So reciprocate or reciprocal, 4/1. So multiply na yun. So 5 times 4, that is 20. Then 6 times 1, that is 6. So pwede sa din na to i-reduce. So both can be divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2, the answer is 10. 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. Since this is improper fraction, so we will change it to mixed fraction. On changing it to mixed fraction, so all you have to do is to divide. So 10 divide it by 3. How many 3 are there in 10? So 3 po. 3 times 3, that is 9. 10 minus 9, that is 1. So to get the final answer, imo nim tangag linya diha, kini si 1, ibutang nimo diha, kani siyang 3 nga imong divisor, ibutang nimo diha. So the answer is 3 and 1/3. So kana lang, daghang salamat.